Expenses button. This is where you can record all the expenses of the association. On the left side are radio buttons of the most common expenses transactions to choose, such as monthly bill payment, electricity, monthly bill payment, water, monthly bill payment, security, monthly bill payment, communication, monthly bill payment, internet, monthly bill payment, cable TV, bill payment, others, purchases, services, others. For example, if the association wants to record an electricity bill payment expenses for the common areas of the association, just tick the monthly bill payment, electricity, radio button, and KapitBahay will activate the option for you to manually choose the applicable month year of this particular electricity bill payment. You may select your preferred month year, and if the particular month year that you have just selected was previously recorded already, KapitBahay will alert you to select another month year. This is called KapitBahay anti-duplicate feature. Eventually, a text box will appear for you to type the amount of this particular electricity bill payment and the expense button also. An option to enter a note or reminder for this particular transaction is available also. You may type it in the remarks text box. Press this expense button to record this expense transaction into the cloud database. For other expenses transactions, the procedure is more or less similar to the example above and probably self-explanatory. Furthermore, when your 6-month trial account expired and you decided to continue using KapitBahay by paying a subscription fee, this payment transaction will be recorded also to the cloud database as expenses of your association. On the right portion of this expenses window is the data grid view that contains all the expenses transaction records of the association. Here in this data grid view is where you can view all the recorded expenses of the association. You may search a particular recorded expense, using transaction reference number as a search key. An option to delete a record can be done by right-clicking anywhere in a row of a particular record to be deleted. Delete expense. To delete an expense record of the association, on the data grid view of expenses window, right-click anywhere in a row of a particular expense record that will be deleted. The drop-down menu will appear. Click the Delete Expense menu. KapitBahay will delete that particular expense record after a password routine. Not all expenses record are allowed to be deleted. An alert message will appear prohibiting the delete expense action. KapitBahay will suggest an equivalent workaround in order to satisfy the purpose of that delete expense action. These are all what you can perform in expenses window.